Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing best sex position while pregnancy. Pregnancy can be the most exciting and challenging time during pregnancy. And many women wonder if it is safe to have a sex while pregnancy. And what is the best sex position during pregnancy? This video will be discussing some tips and tricks that can help to make a sex more enjoyable during pregnancy. So whether this is the first time you are having a pregnancy or you are experienced mother, so this video is for you. So before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. So get ready, let's deep into the world of pregnancy and the best sex position. Welcome back friends. Like I said in the beginning, in this video I'll be discussing some best sex position while pregnancy. First one is spawning sex position. This sex position it is great for the pregnant mothers, especially in the second and the third trimester. This sex position it involves a line on the one side while your partner will penetrate you from the behind. Also, this sex position it helps to alleviate a pressure during sexual intercourse. Also, this sex position it is great for a woman that want to experience a cuddling during pregnancy. The second sex position is woman on the top sex position. This sex position is also known as cowgirl or riding sex position. This is great sex position for a woman that want to control the speed and the depth of penetration. This sex position it allows the easy access to clitoris. Also, this sex position is great for a woman that is experiencing heightened stimulation during a sexual intercourse. The third sex position is doggy style sex position. This sex position is great for the pregnant mothers, especially in the third trimester. During this sex position, the woman kneels down while her partner penetrates her from the behind. This sex position is comfortable for a woman that is having belly fat, and it helps to reduce a pressure during having a sexual intercourse, for the pregnant mother. The number 4 sex position during pregnancy is side-by-side sex position. This sex position is almost same as spooning, but during this sex position, the woman lies on one side and face her partner, while her partner enters her from the front. This sex position it is comfortable for a woman that is experiencing a back pain, because this sex position it takes the pressure of having a lower back pain during having sex if she is pregnant. The last sex position on our list is modified missionary position. This sex position it involves lying down and placing a pillow under your hip, which helps to elevate your pelvis. This sex position it is great for a woman that is experiencing discomfort while having sex during pregnancy. And this sex position it is one of the great sex positions that allow a deeper penetration during having a sexual intercourse. Don't forget that pregnancy is an exciting and challenging time for both couples. So the sex position that can be great for one woman, it might not be great for the other woman. It is important to communicate with your partner so as to know which sex position is good for her. As a man, you have to take things slowly during having sex with your partner if she is pregnant. So here we have come to the end of this video. So if you find it educative and helpful, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell and comment to this video and like it and share it with your family and friends. Let me know which sex position is great for you if you are pregnant. See you in the next video. Bye.